Without forests, Earth will be uninhabitable. Forests are more than a collection of trees. The forest is home to all sorts of amazing plants and animals. And we rely heavily on the forest for clean water and fresh air. Tree trunks are key during heavy rains. The trunks stabilize huge amounts of soil, bracing their entire ecosystem foundation. The forest also serves as a carbon sink to slow climate change and withstand natural disasters. Forests are more than just trees. People live there too. The rich biodiversity also serves as a breadbasket for animals and humans. It supports economies in communities and creates jobs. Changes in the environment will ultimately lead to the emergence of new strains. The forest can someday provide solutions to finding the cure to some of the world's deadliest infectious diseases. However, the high rate of deforestation and forest degradation will make this a dream. We can do a lot more by planting forests and protecting existing forests.